Good morning, my dear students. This is Sahiti. వెల్కమ్ టు సాహితీస్ క్లాస్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే తప్పకుండా కామెంట్ కూడా చేయండి. సో మనం ఆల్కహాల్స్ పార్ట్ 1, పార్ట్ 2 చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్కహాల్స్ పార్ట్ 3. సో ఆల్కహాల్స్లో ఫినాల్స్ గురించి మనం ఈరోజు డిస్కషన్ చేద్దాం. నా ఈ క్లాస్ తెలుగు మీడియం నుంచి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంకి వచ్చే స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ, లేదా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం లేదా ఓన్లీ తెలుగు మీడియం చదువుతున్న వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యేటట్లు నేను చెప్పదలుచుకున్నాను. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ we have to discuss about phenols. So phenol means C6H5OH is called phenol. C6H5OH is called phenol. So benzene ring దానిపైన OH group ఉంటుంది, that is phenol. So now the preparations of phenol from diazonium salts. So we can take diazonium salts. So this is C6H5N2Cl is called diazonium salt. So this is benzene diazonium chloride. So it is on hydrolysis. It reacts with water molecule like H and OH. It gives a phenol and N2 gas is evaluated and HCl is eliminated. So see here. So here phenol is formed. So this OH group is substituted in the place of nitrogen N2. So that's why phenol is formed here. So again from benzene sulfonic acid. So another preparation, that is benzene sulfonic acid. So first of all we prepare benzene sulfonic acid from benzene and sulfuric acid. After next we prepare phenol. So first of all benzene, it reacts with sulfuric acid. In presence of heat it gives benzene sulfonic acid. So this is benzene and SO3H. So this is sulfonic acid. So this benzene sulfonic acid reacts with NaOH, so it gives so here what happened, loss of HNOH takes place. HNOH takes place. So here Na is substituted. After again it reacts with NaOH. Again this OH and SO3 is eliminated. NaHSO3 is eliminated. So here O minus sodium phenoxide is obtained here. So this sodium phenoxide reacts with carbon dioxide. In presence of water gives phenol. So this carbon dioxide CO2 and H2O, a combination of carbon dioxide and water reacts with sodium, so it gives sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3 is called sodium bicarbonate. So this is phenol. This is also one of the preparation. From diazonium salt is one of the preparation, and benzene sulfonic acid is also one of the preparation, and cumin. So what is cumin? What is cumin means isopropyl benzene is called cumin. So this is isopropyl benzene, this is called cumin. So from cumin we prepare phenol. How it is following? So see here, first of all we can take benzene. So benzene react with propene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So here what happened, Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place. So here isopropyl benzene is formed. So this is called cumin. Again this cumin is on oxidation formed a peroxide like this peroxide, O bond OH and bond C. So this bond is given to here, this oxygen bond is taken by this OH. So this OH is added here for a benzene ring. So that is a phenol. So this C double bond O, CH3 acetone is eliminated. So this is phenol. So from cumin the phenol is prepared like this. So these all are the preparations of preparations of phenol. So now the chemical properties of phenols. So phenols undergoes acidic nature. So first one is acidic character or acidic nature of phenols. So unlike alcohols, phenols are acidic in nature. So when phenols react with strong alkali like NaOH gives salts. So phenols having acidity. So see here, what is the meaning of acidity? Loss of H plus or release of H plus is called acidity. So phenols release H plus ion. So that's why they exhibit acidity. So see here, alcohols or phenols reacts with reacts with alkalis gives salts. So here C6H5OH, phenol is react with NaOH, it gives sodium phenoxide ion. So this is sodium phenoxide ion. So this sodium phenoxide ion, this is phenoxide ion, it undergoes resonance. So see here, this oxygen bond is given to here, this double bond is shifted here. So here gets negative charge, here double bond oxygen. So and next this negative charge is given to here, this double bond is shifted here. So here gets negative charge now. So this is negative charge and double negative charge is given to here. So here formation of new double bond. So this negative charge is given to here. This double bond is shifted here. Now here gets negative charge. See in this. So next this negative charge is given to here. This double bond is taken by oxygen. Now we get phenoxide ion. So these are all called canonical or resonance structures. So this is a phenoxide resonance structures. That means so phenol loss H plus, it gives a phenoxide. This phenoxide exhibit resonance like this. So which one gives more resonance structures, that is more stable, we all are know. So that's why acidic character of phenols. So phenols are more acidic. So hence phenols are strong acids than alcohols. Phenols are acts as acids also. So electrophilic substitution. So some in chemical properties, electrophilic substitution in phenols. So phenols undergoes electrophilic substitution. So see here in phenol, so this benzene ring having OH group. What is this OH group? This is electron withdrawing or electron releasing? So this is electron withdrawing. So oxygen has 2 pair of electrons. So this is electron withdrawing. So electron withdrawing means group means this is ring activating group. So ring activating means next electrophile, next second substituted electrophile attacks at ortho and para positions. So see here in phenol, OH group is electron releasing group. So electrophilic attack preferably takes place at ortho and para positions. So that's why so phenol undergoes nitration. It reacts with HNO3, nitric acid, nitration. So nitro group is substituted at ortho and para position. So phenol on bromination, it gives 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. That means this is ortho positions and this is para position. So phenol on bromination gives 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol, and phenol reacts with sulfuric acid. It gives orthophenol sulfonic acid. So SO3H group is substituted at ortho position only, and phenol on sulfuric acid at greater than 100 degrees centigrade. So it gives a paraphenol sulfonic acid. Here temperature is 15 to 100 degrees. This is greater than 100 degrees. That means 150 to 200 like that. So it gives a paraphenol sulfonic acid. This is the electrophilic substitution on phenol. So another one is Williamson's reaction. So ఈ Williamson's reaction లో sodium phenoxide is react with methyl iodide. సోడియం ఫినాక్సైడ్ మిథైల్ అయోడైడ్తో రియాక్ట్ అయ్యి ఏమిస్తుందంటే మనకి మిథైల్ ఫినైల్ ఈథర్ అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎనిసాల్ అండ్ సోడియం అయోడైడ్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, Na and I is eliminated. Na and I is eliminated. So C6H5O CH3 is formed here. This is methyl phenyl ether. So now very important reaction, Reamer-Tiemann reaction. It is a very important for all. సో ఏ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ తీసుకున్నా ఈ రీమర్-టైమన్ గురించి కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుందండి. సో మనకి డిఫరెంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తోటి అడగచ్చు ఈ రీమర్-టైమన్ని. అంటే అనదర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఇస్తూ ఫినాల్ రింగ్ పైన వేరే డిఫరెంట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఇస్తూ మనల్ని డిఫరెంట్గా కూడా అడగచ్చు. కానీ అక్కడ వచ్చేది జస్ట్ ఈ రీమర్-టైమన్ రియాక్షన్ మాత్రమే. సో సీ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay, so phenol reacts with chloroform. CHCl3 is called chloroform. In presence of NaOH, so it gives orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde or called salsilaldehyde. This is called salsilaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde, and NaCl and H2S byproducts. So see here what happened in this reaction, how this reaction is carried out. See the mechanism. So in the first step, so this is CHCl3. So this is chloroform. Chloroform reacts with NaOH. So it NaOH is a base. It abstracts proton from this chloroform. So this hydrogen is added to here OH. So it is H2O is eliminated, and this is CCl3 minus. This bond is taken by carbon. So that's why CCl3 minus and Na plus is here. So again this CCl3 minus in the second step. In the second step, this CCl3 minus, what happened in this carbon has negative charge, so this chlorine takes the bond and Cl is eliminated like Cl minus. So carbon has positive charge, so here what happened, it takes the electrons by chlorine, so that's why carbon has positive charge also. Negative and positive both are neutral, so here pair of electrons is there, so this is dichlorocarbene. This pair of electrons are involved in this reaction. So see here, this phenol we can take here, phenol reacts with again sodium sodium hydroxide, it gives a sodium phenoxide ion like this. So the sodium phenoxide ion reacts with dichlorocarbene. This is the reagent, main reagent here, dichlorocarbene. It attacks at this position. So this negative charge is given to here. This double bond is taken by this carbon. So here CCl2 is attached at this position. So see here, this is like this. So here already H is there, ఒక H ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటుందండి, తర్వాత CCl2 అనేది ఇక్కడ యాడ్ అయింది. సో అగైన్ దిస్ వన్ రియాక్ట్స్ విత్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్. సో దిస్ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్లో ఉన్న H అండ్ OHలో ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ అనేది ఇక్కడ యాడ్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి వన్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ హియర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ CHCl2. ఓకే, సో అగైన్ దిస్ ఆన్ next step, what happens, see here, this hydrogen is eliminated, this double bond is given, sorry, this bond is given to here, this double bond is taken by oxygen, that is like this, O minus is formed and CHCl2 is here. So again it is react with the sodium hydroxide base. So what happened, so here oxygen is added, HCl is eliminated like this, so CHO is added here and HCl is eliminated, HCl. So see here, we can take H plus and OH minus. So two hydrogens with two chlorines is eliminated. So this oxygen is substituted here. That means it is formed CHO. So again it reacts with H plus. So it gives orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. This is a very important. This is called salsilaldehyde. This is also called salsilaldehyde. So okay, so this is a Reamer-Tiemann reaction. It is a very important reaction. Okay, అందరూ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఈ రియాక్షన్ నేర్చుకోండి, ఇది కంపల్సరీ వస్తుంది ఎగ్జామ్లో. నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. Gutterman-Koch reaction, next one is so now we are seeing the chemical properties of phenol. So this is a Gutterman-Koch reaction. This is called formylation reaction. Formylation means formyl group is substituted. What is formyl group? HC double bond OH is called formaldehyde. This group is called formyl group. C double bond OH, that means aldehyde group is called here formyl group. So in this reaction, Gutterman-Koch reaction, what happened, formylation takes place. So formylation means, see here, so phenol reacts with hydrogen cyanide and HCl in presence of ZnCl2 and H2O. It gives orthohydroxybenzaldehyde again. So Reamer-Tiemann product and Gutterman-Koch reaction product are both are same, but reagents are different. So what happened, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is formed. This is called salsilaldehyde. This is called salsilaldehyde. So how this reaction is carried out, so now we see the mechanism. So first of all we can take hydrogen cyanide, HCN, HC triple bond N, carbon and nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative, it takes electrons, so nitrogen gets partial nitrogen gets partial negative charge and carbon gets partial positive charge. Okay, so in this HCl negative part, so negative part Cl is added here, carbon, and proton is added at nitrogen. So this is ClCH double bond NH. Okay, this is called formamino-chloride, like this. So and next we can take the ZnCl2 reagent. So ZnCl2 reacts with the formamino-chloride. Okay, so what happened, it takes chlorine again, so it convert into ZnCl3 minus. So that's why this carbon gets positive charge. So this is the electrophile here. So this electrophile attacks at phenol. So see here, phenol. So in this phenol, oxygen has two pair of electrons, one pair of electron is given to here, this double bond is taken by this carbon. So this CH double bond NH reacts at ortho position like this. సో హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ 1 H ఈజ్ హియర్, ఒక H ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి సో సీ హియర్ దిస్ H బాండ్ అనేది ఇక్కడికి ఇచ్చినట్లయితే వెంటనే ఈ డబుల్ బాండ్ని OH అనేది తీసుకొని ఇది న్యూట్రల్ అయిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ అగైన్ OH. సో దిస్ H ఈజ్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్, దిస్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్ H ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ CH డబుల్ బాండ్ NH2 ప్లస్. సో అగైన్ దిస్ ఆన్ హైడ్రాలసిస్, దీన్ని మనం హైడ్రాలసిస్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసిన చూడండి, O ఇట్ సైడ్ H2 ఇట్ సైడ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ NH4 ప్లస్, బై ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈస్ NH4 ప్లస్ అమోనియం క్యాటయాన్. This is CHO, this is CHO. So that's why it is orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde or salsilaldehyde is formed here. This is Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is formylation reaction. సో నన్ను సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ కూడా చేయండి. మీకు ఇంకా ఎలాంటి వీడియోస్ ఏమైనా కావాలంటే నా కామెంట్లో పెట్టండి వీడియోకి, నేను అలాంటి వీడియోస్ చేసి పంపిస్తాను.